everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create this blog automation workflow just in few minutes such that whenever a new idea is posted to your Google Sheet spreadsheet, automatically a blog is created and posted to your WordPress. Now, if you also want to learn how you can create this, then let's start creating this from the beginning. Here in this video, we are going to see how we can connect Google Sheets with WordPress in such a manner that whenever I want to add a new blog to my WordPress, automatically that blog is generated using my AI agent and it is posted to WordPress. For this, we are going to build the connection between these three applications using Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com in the browser. After browsing the website, we need to sign in to our Pabbly account. On the top right corner, we can see two options: sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in, and if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. You can use the 100 tasks and check whether it fits your business or not, and when you feel ready to upgrade, you can use this code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on your Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Once you pay for this lifetime deal, you get access to all the features that forever. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on this sign in. Here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'll select this Pabbly Connect Access now, and I will be landed towards the app dashboard of Pabbly Connect, where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders over here. If you wish to create a new folder, simply click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create from scratch. I'll name this workflow as AI blog automation for real estate websites, and now I'm going to select the folder. These are the folders which have been created. I am going to select it as AI agent and then click on create. Here workflow created successfully. As soon as I click on create, this box has appeared in front of me where I have to enter my trigger application. Trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger step in a workflow, but as many as action steps as you want. Here in this workflow, I want that whenever I want to add a new detail in the Google Sheet spreadsheet, automatically a blog is generated, which means whenever there will be new detail added to the spreadsheet, this complete workflow here will get triggered, because trigger basically activates or triggers any workflow. Here in my trigger application, I will be taking Google Sheets, and in the trigger event, I am going to select new or updated spreadsheet row and then click on connect. Now I need to make a connection between Pabbly Connect and Google Sheets, for which a webhook URL is provided to me, and this webhook URL is going to act as a bridge to connect my Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. I am going to follow the headers given below and build this connection. For that, I am going to open my Google Sheets. Now over here, you can see that I have created this spreadsheet by the name real estate blogs, and it has all these fields: topic, location, property type, primary keyword, secondary keyword, target audience, CTA. Now over here, I have to go towards this extensions, click on this add-ons, and then click on this get add-ons. Here Google Workspace Marketplace will appear in front of me, where I have to search for Pabbly Connect webhooks, and you will see I have already installed this. But if you are doing this for the first time, you have to follow the same process and install this. And after installing this, you have to refresh your Google Sheets. As you refresh it, you have to go towards the extensions, where you will find this Pabbly Connect webhooks now. So you have to click on this initial setup, where a box will appear in front of you, where you have to enter the webhook URL and the trigger column. So this box has appeared. Now I'm going to copy this webhook URL from this workflow and paste it over here, and then I have to enter the trigger column. Now the trigger column will be a final data column, on which if the data is added, the whole of that row data will be sent to the webhook URL. Here my final data entry column is column G, which means whenever I'm going to add the data in this particular column, the complete row data will be sent to the workflow. I'm going to click on this send test, and you will see test data sent successfully. And to make this setup, I have to click on submit also. So I'll click on this submit, and you will see setup configured successfully. Now I have to make a very important step. I have to go towards this extensions, click on this Pabbly Connect webhooks, then click on this send on event. So this step will make sure whatever data we add in future, it is sent to Pabbly Connect. I'll open the workflow, and over here I have received the response. So the trigger column is G. The topic is this: best areas to buy apartment in Bangalore in 2026. Target audience is this. Then the spreadsheet name is this. We have the rest of the details like the secondary keyword, property type, keyword, primary keyword, location, CTA. So here we have received all the details. As soon as we have received the details, which means connection setup is working fine, and now whenever there will be new detail, I will start capturing that response here in this workflow. Moving on towards the next step, whenever I receive a new data in my Google Sheet, I want my AI agent to generate blog on that. So I'm going to select my AI agent as OpenAI. In the action event, I'm going to select ChatGPT and then click on connect. Now if you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection, and in the help desk a hyperlink is given. If I click on this, I will be redirected towards the API keys page of OpenAI. To create a new token, you simply have to click on this create new secret key. First you have to provide the key name. So let's say the key is test. The project will be default project, the permissions will be all, and then you simply have to click on this create secret key. A new API token will be provided to you, which you have to copy and paste that over here. As I've already an existing connection, I've created this connection multiple times, so I'm going to save this. You will see OpenAI will be connected to Pabbly Connect. Here it is, connection created successfully. Now I have to enter the model. The model which I will be using is this GPT-4. Now you can select the model according to the requirement. Oh mini. If you want to select 5, let's select 5. So I'll select this one, GPT-5 mini, and then we have to enter the prompt. Now I'm going to enter the prompt in a way that I want my AI agent to generate the blogs like. So I'm going to enter all the details which I have captured from the Google Sheets also, and what I want in my blog. So I'm going to enter the prompt. So here I've entered the prompt. You are an expert real estate content writer. Write a unique SEO friendly blog based on the following details, and then I'm going to add the details. Now I'm not going to enter the details manually. Instead I'm going to map it. To map it, what I have to do, I have to enter / go towards this Google Sheets and then enter or select that particular field. So here I'm going to enter the location. The location was this Bangalore. Then I'm going to enter the property type, which is this apartment. Then I'm going to enter the keyword, which is this primary keywords. Then I'm going to enter secondary keyword. Then I'm going to enter CTA. Now over here you see mapping is important, so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in these fields. Manually entering the data will make this field static and the information will not change even when you receive the new response, and that's why we map it instead of manually entering it. After entering all these details, I'll hit save and send test request. Let's wait for the response. So here I have received the response. If I scroll down in this message content, I have my blog. So you can see best areas to buy apartment in Bangalore in 2026. Bangalore's real estate marketing continues to evolve in 2026. Then it has provided me a very detailed blog with all the points and everything which I have entered in my prompt. So you have to enter a very detailed prompt, and whatever you want to be there in your blog, you have to enter that, and the blog will be generated. Now that I have received this blog, I want to post it to my WordPress. I'm going to select my action application as WordPress, and in my action event, I'm going to select create a post and then click on connect. If you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection. And now to make this connection, you have to enter the credentials of the WordPress and the base URL. You will get this base URL from this URL. As you open your WordPress, on the top you have this URL. You have to copy and paste it. Over here it is written that I have to keep it till .com and remove the rest of the part, and this will become the base URL. So as I have already an existing connection, I've created this connection multiple times. I'm going to save this, and you will see WordPress will be connected to Pabbly Connect. Now I have to enter these details. Now over here, I'm going to select the post type as post. Then I'm going to enter the title. So I have received the title from Google Sheet, which is this topic. In the post content, I'm going to map this OpenAI response, which is this message content. Skip this slug and excerpt. If you want to enter, you can enter following the help desk. The status will be published. And again, I'm going to skip all of these fields. Toggle on this featured media ID, remove the ID because I want the blog to be posted. And then I'm going to select the author ID. After this, I'm going to skip all of these fields or keep the fields as default only. So here we have mapped the details, required details. I'm going to hit save and send test request. Let's wait for the response. We have received the response, and this response is a positive one. Let me open my WordPress, and on the left hand side where you can see all these options, so I'm going to open post, go towards this all post. And I'm going to scroll down, and here it is. We have created this best area to buy apartment in Bangalore in 2026. I'm going to click on this view and the post will open in front of me. Here it is. You can see all the details which we have added in the workflow is present here. So this is how we have built the connection between Google Sheets, OpenAI and WordPress using Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubts, you can comment down this video below and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting automation. And before you go, if you plan to upgrade, do not forget to use the code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on your Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Thanks for watching.
Not only this automation, you can create multiple such automation using Pabbly Connect. Now, if you want to know the different plans which Pabbly provide, you can check out the link given over here. If you have any queries, you can mail us at sales@pabbly.com, and if you have any issues, you can comment down this video below and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.